Hi guys, it's Johnny from GR Auto Center here. We've got a very beautiful car behind me. It's a Lambo in Audi clothing. You know what it is. It's an Audi RSQ8. It's a very nice car, very powerful, and it came to us because of very serious damage. So let me show you right now how the car came to us. We just took one of them out of the asset. So as you can see, there's a crack there. There's another one there. Obviously this section has been straightened. Now we're going to prepare it so that it looks like here, and then we're going to test this to make sure that it's all okay. I'll keep you updated. One of the wheels is already done. This one, I'm now staying late trying to spray tonight. Once I finish with it, then on Monday morning we'll just have to put the tires back on, balance them and all of that. We've finished them. Look at that. That's absolutely spot on. There's no way you can tell that this alloy's been damaged. It's all perfect. It's the same here. Yeah, now the section where the alloy has been hit actually was here, and on this one it was here, but again you cannot tell. They're absolutely perfect. Have you seen that? It's absolutely mad. The owner was driving the car. I see that pothole, really nasty one, and as you can see, two of the alloys have been badly damaged. Come with me now, let me show you what we've done to the car and how the car looks like right now. So as you can see, we had to respray the wheels. Everything's been done from scratch. The section where the alloy has been hit, yeah, right around this area, looks absolutely perfect. You cannot tell that there's been a damage. So we've welded that section. You know that there were two cracks, one on that side, one on that side. We've welded all of that. We tested it to make sure that it's all okay and it's going to withstand the weight of this car. We spray the wheels again. The car looks amazing. Let's see the rear wheel as well. As you can see, similar here. You cannot tell where the damage has been. The damage was somewhere around this area. This area. Again, you cannot tell that there's been any damage whatsoever on there. The wheel looks perfect. It's in great condition. We had to put two new tires, Continentals, 295 35 23s, massive tires for such a massive car. This car is very beautiful. As you can see, it's got the carbon pack all over. Come with me, let me show you. So it's got all the carbon here, all around the grills, around mirrors, right at the back, the same thing. It's a very nice car, very expensive. As I said, it's a Lambo in Audi clothing, in the sense that it's got the Lambo engine, it's got the Lambo power. It's just a different look. The car is now ready to go. We're hoping that the customer is happy, is pleased with the service. If you think we've done a great job, let us know in the comments below. Subscribe, like, share, let other people know about us. Till next time, take care of you and your cars.